You like Rocket Pops?
I love Rocket Pops.
It's summer.
It is.
Everyone loves a Rocket Pop. Who doesn't? You're probably eating one right now while you watch this. It's like dripping on you and
communists
shit.
Don't like them.
I was gonna say communists.
There you go.
Drink the purple.
Keep watching.
It's not the same.
Today we're gonna make a cocktail for you on the fly. I don't know what we're gonna make.
It's gonna be something you probably have.
It's called the ugly cocktail or something. I don't know.
In your cabinet.
You probably have all these ingredients.
Yes.
I don't know what these are gonna be.
Because you're probably making like tequila sunrises. You're making some kind of weird drink with
Adios,
Curacao.
motherfucker.
Yeah, and then you gotta have gin.
Gin, everybody's getting
And some kind of raspberry.
Yeah.
Raspberry Liqueur Chambord.
Fuck, did I put? No.
You didn't do anything yet.
Okay.
Oh.
So
Jennifer's gonna call out the ingredients. What
2
am I have to
ounces
do?
of gin?
2 ounces of gin. Sure. 2 ounces of gin. We got 2 ounces. What else?
Okay.
1 ounce of Chambord.
1 ounce of Chambord, or let's call it a Diamore raspberry. Raspberry Liqueur.
Raspberry liqueur.
This feels like I feel like I'm back in
1
college.
ounce?
1 ounce.
Jesus.
Oh, that's gonna be sweet as shit.
This drink is going to be sweet.
This is gonna be a fucking train wreck.
Okay.
1 ounce of Blue Curacao.
Oh. Always the kicker to a high quality.
Can we call this the train wreck
Come
cocktail?
on, the AMF is high quality.
Dude, we got some American.
Half ounce?
Yes.
Okay.
And 1 ounce of lime juice.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say 1 ounce of grenadine. I was about to shit myself. 1 ounce of lime juice. Oh, you have to squeeze it yourself.
Yeah.
Fresh lime juice in this cocktail.
Fresh,
Don't
this
use
is-
that stuff you buy at the
Roses.
store.
Yeah. No matter how shitty the drink is,
Yeah.
don't use.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. You definitely want to use a real lime juice. Don't use roses. Bullshit. That's a shitty ass lime.
I was like, why is the lime blue? And I'm like, oh.
Oh, you used the Curacao.
I was like, shit, something's
I
wrong.
feel like
Yeah,
something is going on with this.
Yeah, I think I'm dying.
And then we're gonna do.
Oh, god damn it.
Yeah.
You need a third blue lime.
Oh, don't worry, I got it.
Yeah, you know what the problem is?
Did you not squeeze this one all the way through?
It's a half squeezed.
Oh, perfect.
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
Ian. Ian always, he's sitting over there, yet he always comes through.
He left just enough.
Yes.
So,
All right.
And a half ounce of grenadine.
Half ounce.
so this is gonna be sweet and purple.
Sweet and more sweet.
What kind of glass are we putting this in? We gotta really show it off because it's gonna be good looking.
Well, how many ounces did we just use? Like 4?
I don't know. Just
3, 4, 5. There's 5 ounces there.
5 ounces. We're putting this beauty here.
Brown.
that's what I'm thinking, right?
Pretty brown. But these typically,
It's called the ugly drink.
but it's got these. This is purple, right? Red and blue.
Recently, but I'm telling you.
Holy
Let's
shit.
get the Chambord. Do you not know how to open a Boston Shaker? So
Find the place that it
Right there.
unclicks.
no,
I-
you're like this is
Oh,
like
it's
a bad.
so cold.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Oh my god, it's so cold.
You can't use the uninsulated one.
Nah, mine's insulated.
It's not that cold.
It's because I heard he broke it.
So people get upset because they're like Boston Shakers are intimidating. It's
No.
just all about how you hit it.
Just hit, yeah, you're just gonna hit it.
That's what I said about my wife.
You mean she hit you?
Oh, it's gonna be purple.
Is it? Is it gonna be purple?
Oh, my
No,
dark,
it's like black.
dirty.
No, it could be black.
It looks like, yeah, black.
Charcoal?
It's kind of charcoal. It's like a dark
If you
purple.
clean your skinny out on a wet day,
Yeah.
you get that drink.
We're gonna call this one the Charles River.
Yeah, exactly.
Charles River.
It's disgusting. I think he just wants to make us all sick.
Hold on. I will
Or we
hold
can
it
just throw people off and call it the chocolate delight.
up right to the camera
Mm.
because I don't have the other camera
Yeah, on the
on.
camera. It kinda
It's more purple.
So,
Yeah.
After the bubbles kind of.
Yeah, you gotta give it a second.
Purple.
It's purple.
Oh my god, Derrick doesn't even have an answer. Like he's recovering from that set.
It's gonna
He
be.
had to take a step
It's gonna
back.
be super sweet.
There's a lot of body language happening.
It tastes like a fucking pop rocket. You know the ones with the 3 colors?
Yeah.
Wait.
Rocket Pop.
Rocket pop. Your rocket pop.
Pop
Okay,
Same difference.
I'm following along with the rocket pop. That for some reason, even though they're
Rocket
all
pop.
the same words,
Yeah, right.
I got confused. Now I get
It's
it.
okay.
So this is the blue, white, and red one, right?
Yeah.
I can see
They
that,
don't
but
twist the tea, rocket pop.
it's kind of like
It's weird.
the thing is, it has that sweetness that's like
It's so sweet.
sweet.
It's actually not as bad as you think it would be.
Really?
It's not. I mean, obviously, it's going to be a sweet drink,
It has like this sour of like a citric acid.
but it
Well, it does have an ounce.
it tastes like a popsicle.
Yeah, I think it's
it looks like a melted grape popsicle.
Right.
Yeah.
I think the thing is that throws you off is that the sour is so sour, but it has like a really sharp sweetness, so it tastes like a gummy bear, like the citric acid on the gummy bear. Like it has that bite to it,
Sour.
which makes sense because I think citric acid, malic acid, whatever. It's
I'm
all
telling you, it's actually not because there's actually. I mean, there's no like you don't just add sugar. The raspberry. And
It tastes like a candy though. It tastes
it
like
does.
sugar.
Oh yeah. I mean,
Let's
of
also-
course.
Yeah.
I was not ready for that. Like it's.
Well, I mean, the
it's-
expectation was that it was going to be sweet.
Right.
Oh, but the funny thing is, when I took the sip, I was like, oh,
She didn't.
it's still a lot.
Oh, it's a lot.
If you froze it, I'm a big fan of.
It's
pops.
like a rocket
I
pop.
like rocket pops. I
You
feel
know, like the
this is-
especially like the blue flavor,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, I'm telling you.
Well, let's see what they think. Because
All right,
I feel like it's a little aggressive.
we're gonna.
Like an alcohol pop, because they make the alcohol popsicles, right?
Yeah,
Interesting.
Oh,
Yeah.
you got it in your mouth. You can jump up
right. You have to judge it for what it is. You
Like-
can't be like judging it as a.
But it doesn't even taste like purple.
I brought it to you.
Yeah, I know. That's the only
Oh,
thing
it does
I
taste exactly
Like
a
it-
rocket.
Right, like a rocket pop.
It's the raspberry.
Exactly.
It's the blue
It's the
raspberry.
blue raspberry part.
Childhood.
Yeah.
That and then if you gave it like a little bit lemon and you had the lemon piece in the middle, it'd be perfect.
It's a-
It is
it's a-
exactly like a rocket pop.
It's like a rocket pop with citric acid on it.
Yeah.
Like it has like that, like they're like a warhead. Not as sour as a warhead.
I give it a thumbs up. If you're a person that likes
It's not-
Sugar,
sweeter drinks,
and you
Not
need the
as sweet
sour.
as I thought it was going to be.
right? It's not as
Yeah,
it's not as bad as like it's not like an overly sweet. It's not like disgusting. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not as.
It's not gum.
Oh,
Oh yeah, but that's because you guys are like, oh no, it has blue carrots on it.
No, that's because I don't want to hear from about you.
Oh yeah.
no, I think that would have been if that was a delicious drink, they wouldn't have cared about you. They would have drank that whole thing.
That's true. It's a good drink.
It's a slow sipper though. It's like a lot of sour to it.
It's a yeah.
I don't know if you could tone down the sour.
You could
It is.
drop the line down.
Yeah.
Do 3/4 lime instead.
Yeah,
of
I don't think you need as much lime in it.
Yeah.
You can tone back the lime. I just don't know if that's going to cause it to be overly sweet. I mean, the thing is, you're getting sweet, and you're like, "Wow, this is sweet!" Boom, and it hits you right in the face with the lime, and you completely
does.
forget about the
Yeah.
sweetness because you're like, "Oh, it's rocket pop," but I'm falling over. Yeah, it's like a drunk rocket pop.
It's not bad. I bet you if you made this drink,
You froze it
that
into a rocket ship.
50 to 60% of the people at your party will like it.
Oh yeah.
Not at our parties.
Oh, I bet.
Well, I bet you could.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Killing Christina would like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Those were not the ones I was thinking. I wouldn't. Like, you think Wyman would drink that?
No, but his girlfriend might.
Yeah.
Yeah. And maybe it's a split. All the chicks will drink
For
that.
now.
I mean, I think it's also we also are conditioning.
He said, "Do you think?"
Right,
Right, we've programmed these people.
We've also conditioned the crowd to a certain
Right.
level of like cocktails.
Right, and that's not in the level.
Yeah.
Right.
Not anymore. I mean, I can tell you though, like,
Rocket.
how long have we known each other? 15 years? 10 years?
Too long.
15
So,
years.
10 years? 10 years.
11 years. Yeah.
10, 11 years?
Yeah. That's been a long time.
So 15 years back, then we would have been drinking something like this, right?
Oh, you
We
mean,
would-
yes,
Oh,
before
yeah.
we
We would
programmed
drink, we would drink vodka drinks and we because it was made with gin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We would have drank this.
Would have been like, look at this purple pocket rocket.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. Like, it's a drink that we drank purple vodka. It tasted just like this shit.
It's a purple pocket rocket. It's got chip.
Yeah.
This thing's upper class. And then you met me and you're like, wait a minute.
Well, it's hard, right? Because we all we started to elevate as we
Right.
tried new
You
stuff.
drink different
Yeah.
types of cocktails. You drink much more expensive champagnes
Well,
and
then
wines
Ian
and
came on this show and then introduced them to good
And then we
drinks.
drank Bloody Marys.
Yeah. That's
But remember, I mean, what is it? What's the 41? The
40.
the
Liquor
Liquor-
40.
Oh, Liquor
Liquor 41,
Liquor
43.
That stuff's awesome. Liquor 43. Yeah.
Like when you guys first used that, right? Ian came over to the house, and I think for like 2 months straight, we literally made drinks with nothing but like Liquor 43.
Oh, it's a
That
good.
sounds
It's a,
awesome.
my dad does the same thing. Like the drink he makes only has Liquor 43. Like that's
Yeah.
all. He only makes one cocktail.
Yeah.
And it's got Liquor.
Yeah, his pear
Yeah, it's
schnapps one.
pear schnapps. It's got Liquor 43,
14 either.
and he swears by it. Like it's an orange liqueur with a lot of vanilla in it.
Yeah.
It's
Oh,
fantastic.
yeah, Liquor 43 is good.
Yeah, it's fantastic. And it's so heavy that you can make it look like a beer. Like if you put it in a little
Oh
beer
yeah, you
glass,
can make a little mini
put a little
beers with
cream
it.
on top, and it looks like a beer. And like that's like a big people get a kick out of that shit. I don't know. This is Combat Cocktail circa 2015.
Right? Like you got to go back in the day when
Yeah.
you were, when we used to drink vodka, right?
Right. And it tastes like a rocket pop.
But
I
this is
can't-
gin, so it's more elevated. It tastes like a rocket pop.
Right. It's an elevated version of rocket pop.
Yeah.
I'll buy that. All right. That's it.
I'd have to say, not
We
too
did
bad.
The whatever this is called, that's the drink right there. We're teaching you how to drink.